Welcome friend in the sixth presentation of integration using trigonometric identities, and here our integrand is sine cube x times cos cube x. As we did in the previous session, previous video, we did the problem, we solved the whole problem. I mean, we integrate the question by using trigonometric identities, but along with that we are using the substitution method, the first method of integrating that we had learned, so you keep in mind that if I'm saying integration by using trigonometric identities, it does not mean that I'm just gonna use trigonometric identities. I can use any concept to make the question simpler and to solve it in a easier way. Okay, so you have to always choose that method which gives you the solution very easily, very simply. Okay, so now what we can do, I may have to do substitution here as well. So well, first I'm gonna break like this. See, here I have sine cube x. I can break any of them, either of them, as a sine square x dot sine x, or I can do cos square x times cos x, and that gonna give me that gonna convert everything into the cos form or in sine form, whatever you're changing, and then only one thing will be left, that is actually a derivative. Anyways, it is something like this, sine square x times sine x times cos cube x times dx. Now you might be asking why I'm breaking this, and see here you can further you can break this sine square as a 1 minus cos square x and times this cos cube x times sine x dx. And now let me more simplify it. It's gonna be cos cube x minus cos 5x, alright, times sine x dx. And my dear friend, now you tell me, if we suppose t equals to cos x, what gonna happen? Yes, that's gonna be very wonderful. Derivative of cos x is sine x, that is negative sine x, doesn't matter, and this is going to be t cube and this is going to be t to the power 5, right? And easily after that we can use the power rule of integration. Okay, so dt over dx is minus sine x, so therefore I can say negative of dt equals to sine x times dx. Using this relationship here, so my integral is getting now cos cube, cos is t, so it's t cube, I'm writing in the next step, minus cos to the power 5, that is t to the power 5, and in the place of sin x dx, what we can use? Yes, minus dt, so it's dt and negative is here. So now the question is getting minus t to the power 3 dt plus t to the power 5 dt. Now let's use very simply the power rule of integration, so it's gonna be t to the power 4 divided by 4 plus constant 1 and t to the power 5 plus 1, so it's 6 divided by 6 plus constant 2, and let's put the value of t, that is cos. Alright, so it's cosine of 4 over x divided by 4 plus constant 1, and no, I'm gonna write this first, cosine of t to the power 6, so 6x divided by 6 plus, in the place of constant 1 and constant 2 I can together write constant c. Alright, and that's my integral, that's my solution.